I'm Ben.
I'm Ali.
And we are back in Sidemen, Bali with better weather. So we're going to hire some bikes and go explore with our friend George.
Then we're going to go head over to Lombok, which is an island just east of Bali that we kind of hear is similar to Bali, just kind of 20 years behind in terms of tourism and how much it's built up and commercialized and stuff. It's also a Muslim island, whereas Bali's more Hindu. So excited to see the differences and explore the island.
Yeah, so we're going to go to Kuta first, which is down in the south. Then head up north from Kuta to Tetbatu, which is kind of at the base of Rinjani, round Rinjani to Sembulan on the east side, which is where we start our hike. And then once we've done our hike, we're going to head to Senaru and we're going to check out some waterfalls.
But first, we're going to head to Gilli Air. So the Gilli Islands are 3 islands just off the coast of Lombok. You've got Gilli T, that's the party island, Gilli Mino, that's the smallest one and is kind of more for honeymooners, or Gilli Air, which is kind of somewhere in the middle, which is the one we've gone for. They're all super chill vibes, no cars or bikes, you just cycle everywhere, which is really cute. And there's loads of horses, just really quiet. One of my favourite things to do while we've been here has been snorkel off Turtle Point at sunrise. You can rent masks for about 50,000 rupiah, just from loads of little stores just right along the beach. So many turtles, like the most amount that I've ever seen. And there's also loads of coral and fish, which is really cool.
And don't forget to go to Warung Frida, which is our favourite local food restaurant in the centre of the island.
Best place, super cheap too.
One side you have Mount Agung in Bali, which is where the sun sets, and on the other side you have Mount Rinjani where the sun rises over. It just looks absolutely stunning every day. Kuta is the main western hub in the south of Lombok. It's got lots of restaurants, cafes, some nice gyms. We went to Loka and Xenofit. Loka has a really cool community, really nice cafe, so definitely recommend going there. There's some beautiful beaches, but they are quite far away. They're about 20-minute, half an hour, even 40-minute drive away. Lombok is a really rural place, so you definitely want to get a bike and you definitely need to get out of town to get to the nice areas.
We mainly chose to go to Lombok for the surfing, and there's quite a few different beaches in and around Kuta that's really good for it. Our 2 favourite spots to go to was Tanjun An and Gerupuk, which are both reef breaks that you need to get a little boat out to. We'd recommend getting an instructor to show you where to go, show you what the waves are going to be like, especially if you've not surfed there before or you're a beginner.
The sunsets in Lombok are beautiful. So we regularly went to Bukit Meresi. You just drive up, park, and then you need to walk for 10-15 minutes. And you get amazing views of Tanjun An beach and also Kuta beach.
We definitely recommend going to Kuta and staying around there, and especially compared to Bali, the roads are so much better, easy to drive on, not busy at all. We are staying just outside of Kuta at Origin, which you've linked below.
So we've driven up from Kuta to Tetbatu, up in the countryside next to Mount Rinjani. Took about 1.5 hours on a bike to get here.
Yeah, you get really amazing views of Rinjani from up here too. Loads of rice fields everywhere. Yeah, really great. There's also loads of waterfalls and hikes around this area, but it might be better to hire a guide. We didn't, and you can do it without a guide, which is fine, but we did get lost a lot.
Yeah, even just finding the paths through the rice fields down to the waterfalls was a little bit tricky. We saw other people with guides, so yeah, in hindsight, probably would have got one. The culture here is a bit closer to Bali. Like we ran into a street party, lots of guys with drums in the middle of the street, like you couldn't get through. It seemed super random, but also just really cool.
Next, we're heading to the mountain town of Sembulan, which is on the east side of Mount Rinjani.
So we're here in Sembulan, 1,100 meters up.
We're going to meet up with our friends George and Sonia today and start our hike up Mount Rinjani. We've chosen to go with Green Rinjani, which is the tour operator. They take you around a really good route, and they also plant a tree for every person that books with them. We just met our guide Andy. We're all set, bags packed, ready to start our hike up Mount Rinjani. We're doing a 3-day, 2-night camping trek to get to the summit. Amazing things that I've ever done. And camping on top of the mountain when the sun's setting, you've got all the clouds around you. Yeah, genuinely something I'll never forget.
Yeah, I'd highly recommend doing this. It wasn't that hard in terms of fitness. The guides are really good at like giving you breaks, but you do need to be really careful. It's super slippy. The trails aren't great.
Getting a good guide is essential. You summit when it's pitch black, so you wake up super early in the morning, and then it's all loose sand. So obviously the last, 200 meters or something, you kind of take 2 steps forward and then 1 step back. And also there's really big drops either side of the path. So obviously if you're doing that in the dark, you can really see how people have fallen.
Yeah, last year I think there was 3 deaths on Rinjani. So you definitely need to be careful. We did the Turian route, so it was 3 days, 2 nights, and it was stunning. It was like walking through Jurassic Park. So you go up the mountain the same way as everyone else from Sembulan. You do the summit, but then you come back down past the crater lake and you do a different route round to the village of Turian. It was beautiful.
So we're going to leave George and Sonia now, and we're going to head off to Senaru and take a look at Tuklepe waterfall.
Let's go.
watching. Remember to like, rate and subscribe. Bye!